Hello, my name is Michael Atkins and I work at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. And we are the premier leader in pre-owned RVs, and we have the largest selection of Class B motorhomes in the Pacific Northwest with 55 new and 46 used. We have all of your major brands. We have the Winnebago, the Coachman. We have your Heimer, your Pleasureway, your Regency, your Road Trek, your Thor Motor Coach, and your Storyteller. Today I'll be doing a walk around video on the most popular one of your Class Bs in the market, the Travato 59K. This vehicle is 21 feet long. It is 6 feet 9 inches wide. It does come on the Dodge 3500 ProMaster chassis. It is equipped with a 3.6 liter V6 engine that displaces 280 horsepower, a 6-speed automatic transmission. It does have a 13-foot power awning with LED lighting, a power sliding door. It does have a long side step along the passenger side here, along with a side step for the driver's door. It does come equipped with plug-ins for your cable TV and 2 additional power outlets located on the outside of the vehicle. It does have a 3,500-pound hitch, dual doors with your bug netting to prevent bugs from getting in while you have the doors open. It does have a removable ladder. It is equipped with a 220-watt flexible solar panel with controller. Your solar panel is located on the roof of the vehicle. It does have an instant hot water heater. It has a 6-gallon propane tank. These are LED headlights. It also has fog lights on this vehicle. Your LED headlights are placed higher to give you greater visibility and to reduce repair cost. Less chance of a rock hitting there. So let's go ahead and move inside. It does have leatherette seating. The seats do swivel in this vehicle. It is equipped with a full climate control system, USB ports, push button start, electronic parking brake, steering wheel controls for your stereo, your Bluetooth, and your cruise control. It does have LED ceiling lighting. It is equipped with 2 twin beds, a microwave, a 3 cubic foot refrigerator, 2 burner, your sink, a ton of storage. It also has your high-def 24-inch TV here with Bluetooth soundbar. It does use an amplified digital antenna when you're not hooked up to the cable. It does have an AC unit located up here. It does have your vent fan with rain guard. It does have a flexible shower head, medicine cabinet. Your controls. It also has an additional power supply located right here. Once again, this is Michael Atkins at Fife RV. We look forward to assisting you in your shopping needs. Please let us know if we can help. Have a great day.